It's a little on the chilly side, but it's supposed to be up to in the mid 80s today. So I dressed like I'm going to ride my dirt bike because I'm going to ride my dirt bike. All my friends are getting old. What the hell, man? All right, so what are we doing today? Guess what? Well, since I never washed the bike from the last time I rode it, yeah, I know, bad me. I just dusted the chain off and put a little bit of lube on it. Oh my God, every time I fire this thing up, whenever I don't have earplugs in, it's so awesome. All right, actually took a little bit of time to get the settings right on this Insta 360. I'll tell you what, on bright sunshiny days, I use my shutter speed. It's at 1 in 1600. They say double the frame rate, or you know, you should double your shutter speed per your frame rate. Now, with this Insta 360, it's goofy. I mean, it is just completely blown out. If you like say if I put this on 1 in 500, it's just way too blown out. So yeah, that's why I just look at my phone on the preview screen and I just scroll it. I just, you know, make your manual adjustment until the picture looks good, and then back it off one. All right, let's see what we can do. Yeah, it's about time to take off this daggone jacket. Woo! Yeah, first, oh, shit. This is gonna be fun. All right, traction control is for me. There we go. Keep the feet on the pegs. Oh shit. Oh, this is the creek. Somewhere around here. Yeah. Oh, they redid it. So is this my new trail bike? Yeah. It's just me. How you doing? Hey there, bud. Oh shit! Oh, big boy coming through. It's just me. You too, man. starting to get warmed up. And the trail's over. Well, this part is. There we go. Now let's see if we can't rip it off. Oh, thanks, Pete. It's a good idea having your 360 on your handlebars like that. I had to make sure, but yeah, it does not get in the way. It does not interfere one bit. Might hit the bushes a little bit, but that's deep shit right there. Ass back. There we go, baby. Ah, I just spun. Whoa! Yeah, see, that's where traction control would have come in handy.